Hello friends, welcome to Thursday session of class 7 Social Study St. Thomas School. I am Suresh sir. Last we had discussed about Sher and Humayun. Let us continue with the Akbar. Akbar was just 13 years old when his father Humayun passed away. He was very young, so a faithful minister called Bairam Khan brought him up as a guardian and took care of the administration on Akbar's behalf. Hemu, the leader of Sikandar Suri, established his rule over Delhi. When Akbar was in Punjab, with the guidance of Bairam Khan, Akbar defeated Hemu in the Battle of Panipat. Since Bairam Khan became more independent, Akbar seized away all his powers and sent him for Hajj. He was killed on the way to the Hajj. This was the secrecy of the ruling of that time. Why he was killed today also it is a one secret. Akbar annexed the Chittod and Ranthambore in the battle against Rana Pratap. Frequent battles were fought between them and both of them were powerful rulers during those times. Akbar's empire expanded during the period between 1585 to 1605 century era and he annexed the Kandahar, Kashmir, Kabul and established his rule over Khandesh, Ahmednagar in the south. There was a lot of disorder during the last days of Akbar's rule because Prince Salim revolted. Later, Salim adopted the name of Jahangir and ascended the throne. We have already gathered a lot of information in different rulers of Mughal dynasty like Babur, Humayun, Akbar and Sher Shah Suri of the Suri dynasty. Now, on the basis of this, let us know the administration, society, art, and architecture of that time. Relation of Mughals with the other ruler. When Humayun had escaped, even the Hindu rulers gave him shelter. Therefore, their culture was reflected in the upbringing of Akbar. He took the help of Hindu rulers when he ascended the throne. He knew that he would not be able to rule in India if he ignored the Rajput rulers. Therefore, he maintained good relations with the Rajput rulers and won their confidence. The rulers who did not accept his authority had to face him. The rulers of Sisodia Rajput did not accept his rule and had many confrontations with him. Tradition of inheritance. In this tradition, the king was responsible for appointing the successor of the kingdom, and it would be usually the eldest son. The oldest son, usually the successor during the Mughal rule, all the sons would get an equal share of the empire. This was a one policy part. This is the hierarchy was implemented during the Humayun's rule. Dear students, we will get idea of inheritance from this. Some rulers were parting their empire into the 3 part or 4 part and sharing them. Some are making the king or a crown prince to the oldest son. This was very popular during the Humayun's time and afterwards conspired against each other for the throne. Then afterwards there was a fighting between them and quarrel between to get the throne and power. Brothers would get quarrel with one another for the throne and whoever won ascended the throne of the Delhi. Administration system. If we look at the inner deep, Subedari system was implemented. Still in our army also Subedar's post is there. That we will continue in our next session, and let us see how the Akbar has divided 15 sections of his each and every administrative system and working based on that. We will get more idea for that, and how he was going on, that also we will see to it. Till then I remain. Thank you, students.